Well, folks, in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a video. I have been literally counting down the hours to bring you guys. I'm so excited about this. What we're going to be doing in today's video, as most of you probably know by the thumbnail or something of that sort, is we're going to be fixing this locomotive. This is a TYCO Alco C630, I believe. The Super Spirit of 76 is what they called this one. You might remember I got this engine a while back. It was in one of my second running trains video. You can see it run. What I didn't tell you guys in that video is that I was putting full throttle on that thing, and if you guys saw that, then you'd know it was not running very healthy. Its armature is just about dead, like literally. It's on its last hours, pretty much. So this thing is basically sat in its box since until today, when until a few days ago, when I bought this. This is a kit off of eBay I got. It's a power torque rebuild kit is what it is. You guys can find it. This is the last one on the listing, but from what I understand, he keeps putting the listing back up when he gets more. So we're going to be using the parts from here, and as you can see, there is a new armature in there. So we're going to try to put this to good use to fix that power torque up today. And also we got packing peanuts all over the place, so that's fun. But anyway, let's get started. Well, folks, what we have here is we have up in the top here, we have the commutator cover, or the brush plate, you could say. Then we have the armature. We have two screws. Here we have the springs and the brushes. Over here we have whatever these are. I actually do not really know what these are. If anybody knows what these are, please let me know. I actually really don't know. And then we have two magnets for the motor. So hopefully these will help. Those magnets will help make my train a bit stronger. So anyway, let's get to the actual disassembly and restoration. Here's the old one. We're going to get rid of it. To get it out, what you need to do is you need to just get a flat head under there and just pry up. Be careful though. And that'll come off, and then that'll come out. And it's okay if the magnets come out with it, because we are just getting rid of all of that. So now we've just got this. Boy oh boy am I excited. So from this part forward, guys, this gets really interesting, because now we're going to be using parts from the kit. So let me just sort the parts out here. I kind of just jumbled them back together. So here's the commutator. To me, that commutator, if I can get my camera to focus, actually looks kind of dirty. But the guy said this kit is ready to throw into your engine. So I'm going to see if that's true. Yeah, so what we're going to do, I really don't know if there's a specific way these... Oh gosh, I can't even put magnets in. There's a specific way these go in. Okay, good. I was really hoping TYCO didn't change their power torque motors like I thought they didn't. Anyway, yeah, so those go in there like that. And then this can just go right in the middle. And oh my gosh, is that so much stronger. I already have high hopes for this. Or, sorry, good feelings about this. Then what you want to do is, where is my oil? Oh, it's way over there. Great. Right over by my Walther's controller. What do you think I'm doing? What you want to do is you want to lubricate this part, but please do not over lubricate it, otherwise it will spray onto the coils of the motor, and I apologize for my camera not focusing, and it will cause a mess and stink. So if you just put one drop, and if you spin the motor a couple times, oh my gosh, this is horrible, just like this, that's really all you need. So anyway, I'll move that out of the way. If you're wondering, this is a Bachmann Easy Lube. You can't really see it anymore. I've rubbed the thing off, but yeah. It's Bachmann Easy Lube, and it's the light stuff. So now what you want to do is you just want to put this back on, but unfortunately, since these don't come off, you gotta do something a little wild, and that wild thing is you gotta flip this whole engine over let me sort this out real quick, guys. I'm sorry. Let me just sort that out real quick. And you want to hold it like this. So what I do is I hold this just like that. That's like the perfect angle right there. That's the angle you want. Then I take my springs and I put them in the holes there. Where's the other one? There it is. Took me like 10 minutes to find that one, by the way. Just like so. Okay, that one actually fits in there really nice. Okay, then you take your brush and you set it on there. And then you take your other brush and you set it on the other one. It should look something like that. It is so hard to do. I found if you just kind of... Oh. Now I'm bumping the camera too. This isn't going to end well. Folks, I cannot believe what just happened. I got that with you guys. I just had to stick the screwdriver in there and straighten one of the brushes. Booyah, we're good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of the original screws in, just to hold it on. And the pivot gear just fell off. That's not good. But anyway, so I guess we'll have to deal with that pivot gear a different way. A way that's way harder to do, but is way better. But I just need to see if this kit even works. Cross your fingers, guys, please. Okay, I'm cranking up the power. Let's see. If I touch them one here to one there, will it work? That was promising. Well, guys, I'm going to let this run a little while because I do not want to put this all back together and find out that it doesn't run very well. Alright, everybody. Cross your fingers for me. I think this thing will probably be a bit sluggish at first, and then it'll speed up. Forgot to put track power on. Okay, I don't know how we got the direction flipped, but it stalled. I knew it! Ah, that gear slid off the end, guys. Well, folks, it's now the next day. I decided that last night, because it was last night, that I really didn't want to deal with it right away because I was getting a little tired. So, yeah, I just took a break, and then when I came back today, I got my dad to help me crimp that shaft a little bit more, and now the gear seems to be holding on fine. I did do a bench test of it, and it didn't fly off, so we're going to find out now. Will the thing run? Wow, look at her go. This thing's flying. Oh. Yay, it hit my train, look at that. Oh, why is it cutting out like that? Just to give you guys an idea of how well this is working, that thing only has one traction tire of 3, so yeah, that's pretty good right there. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to put too much strain on that motor because it doesn't have all of its traction tires like I just said, but I mean, guys, that is like 10 times better than what this old armature ever would have been able to put out. So, anyway guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and keep on model railroading.